From Forex Traders Daily, this is your daily analysis with Ross Mullins, live from Richmond, Virginia.
Hello everyone, this is today's video analysis for September 8th, 2017. Today we're going to be taking a look at the USDCAD, the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar, for today's trade analysis. And it of course is important for me to point out that in just a few minutes, about 15 minutes from the recording of this video, we'll have significant Canadian news popping up at 8:30 Eastern US time. That's employment data and unemployment rate for Canada. Could change everything I'm getting ready to talk about, but we'll definitely watch for some opportunities as the day goes on. I'm starting here on the weekly time frame. You look all the way back to the left-hand side of the chart where the blue box is, bottom left-hand corner of the chart. You can see this area between, there's a blue shaded area at the top of the blue box and a green shaded area at the bottom of the blue box. And you can see that clearly underneath the top of the blue box, it goes down to the green zone at the bottom. Several times, 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks challenged down to the green shaded area. That's right around the 1.2000 or even into the upper 1.1900. So definitely something that we want to make note of. Why? Because if you look to the right of the chart, that's where the current market is challenging underneath the blue shaded area. Now that we've seen that, let's take it down to the daily time frame. And you can see clearly the currency pair has been in a downtrend. There's been nothing to slow it down really since last week, but we even got a raise of interest rates earlier on in this week, causing a surge lower again, and now today we're pushing underneath that 1.2100 level, the blue shaded area that we just looked at on the daily time frame. Zoom it back a little bit again, and you can see the last time we got underneath here, there's that same blue box, but now looking at it on the daily time frame underneath the blue zone. We clearly look for it to go to the green zone at the bottom of the chart. That's all, again, all the way back in 2015 was the last time we were under the blue shaded area. So we know with some confidence what the market has intentions to do underneath that blue shaded area. So we're looking basically for a short underneath 121, 121.25, which is that blue shaded area, 121.25. Even as high as 21.50. So looking to go short, targeting the green shaded area. Let's zoom it in a couple of times here on the daily. So here we are. We can see it underneath the blue zone. So our intention is to watch for an opportunity to go short here and look for it to target here at the green shaded area. And the risk, of course, is that the market changes its mind. Poor Canadian data, positive U.S. movement would send this higher. Right now, there's nothing really to say that it's going to go higher. Everything points to going short right now for the dollar CAD. Down to the 4-hour time frame doesn't change that at all. In fact, you know, if it wasn't for the news popping up in about 10-15 minutes from now, I think this would be a definite short opportunity. Now, if you're going to go ahead and do that, that's fine. Hopefully we'll see some positive Canadian data and a target back down to 1.2000, but definitely under the blue zone. We're looking to go short, targeting the green zone, 1.2000 for the dollar CAD today.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.